Hello my dear students. Today we will start with secretarial practice. In that we will start with topic number 7, company meetings part 1. So today our concept is minutes. What is minute? Meaning the term minutes means written records of proceedings of a meeting. That means minute is nothing but whenever there is a meeting and at the time whatever decisions are taken at the meeting, then that decisions have to be entered in a minutes book, right? And that is done with the help of secretary and chairman. That means secretary has to prepare minutes book, clear? And um, secretary will going to write the decision or the points which were considered in the meeting. Then dear students, we will see the definition of minutes. Minutes is nothing but it is a record. That means it is an official record of discussion held and decision taken at the meeting. That is known as minutes. Then dear students, minutes are prepared by the secretary. Clear? It is prepared by the secretary within 15 days after the meeting. That means after completing the meeting, the secretary has to record that in minutes book. Clear? Then after preparing minutes, it should be passed in consecutive meeting. Then afterwards, the minutes are generally written by secretary of the committee who holds the meeting and signed by both the secretary and the chairperson. Then dear students, the next question is importance of minutes, or why meeting minutes are important, right? So here we can see the importance of minutes. Number one point is authentic record. Clear? What is authentic record? Authentic means the real. Here the detailed information about proceedings of the meeting is made available through minutes. That means here the real records are noted. Then number 2 point, we can see the evidence. Evidence means the proof, right? So here the minutes can be used in the evidence, as an evidence in the court of law. The next point, we can see future reference, right? The minutes can be referred in future. As you can see that this minutes is recorded in a minute book, then it will be created as a permanent record, right? So this will be useful for taking future managerial decisions. The next point, you can see the legal provisions. Minutes are to be prepared by following legal provisions which is mentioned in Companies Act and Secretarial Standard. That means here we have to strictly follow the Companies Act. The next point, we can see information to absent members, right? That means minutes helps the absent members in knowing the proceedings of the meeting. That means if any member has not attended the meeting, that time the minutes book can be referred, right, for the information. The next point, you can see inspection of minutes. That means here, as per the Companies Act, minutes book should be kept at the registered office of the company, and every member has a right to inspect the minutes book of the general meeting. So that's all my dear students. Today we have learned minutes. Minute is nothing but it is a written record of proceedings of a meeting. That means whatever decisions are taken at the meeting, that has to be recorded in the minutes book. So next we have learned importance of minutes. So that's all my dear students. Thank you.